In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Microsoft Outlook quickly and effectively in 2025. This guide will ensure that you can log out easily whenever you're using a shared or public device, safeguarding your account's security. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Outlook website by typing in https://outlook.office.com in the address bar. Once you've reached the Outlook page, it's important to make sure that you are indeed logged into your account. If you're not logged in, simply enter your credentials, including your email and password, so that you can access your emails. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice your profile icon, which might show as either your profile picture or your initials. Go ahead and click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides several options for managing your Outlook account. Within this drop-down menu, you'll want to locate and select the option that says Sign Out. Clicking Sign Out will instantly log you out of your email account. Almost immediately, you'll be directed to the Sign In screen. This way, you can be certain that you have securely logged out and that no one else can access your account on this device without your permission. If you're concerned about your login details being remembered by Outlook, there's a simple additional step you can take. From the sign-in page, you'll see the option for sign-in options. Clicking here will provide you with more choices. Select Remove Account if you want to ensure that Outlook doesn't retain your login information. This option is particularly useful if you're working on a public or shared computer and you don't want your credentials stored. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to sign out of Microsoft Outlook. With a bonus tip to clear any saved login information, it's always a good practice to sign out after using your email on a shared or public device to keep your information safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Stay safe and have a great day.